So go on and open up the passenger side door. That's a glove box over there that we need to open. Open the glove box. First off, you need to get the glove box out of the way. So there's two clips. You need to push them up at the same time. So push them up and the glove box comes out. Now we need to get the dampener arm on the side. We gotta get that off. So just pull it out over there. And yep, just like that it comes out. Don't worry, I'm gonna show you at the end of the video how to put it back in. Now we gotta get that cover off. So there's three clips on the top. In order to get it out, pull down on the top right clip and then at the same time use your index finger to pull it out from the side as well. Yep, one clip, the second clip over there, and then there is the third clip over there. Now the cover is also held in place by the three slots over there, so we gotta get the cover out at a bit of an angle like that, and that's it. Now that's the cabin air filter over there that we just have to pull out, and it'll slide right out. It's going to take a few seconds, so just be patient with it. And out it comes. Now let's take a closer look at the cabin air filter itself. If you can see, there's an arrow over there that's pointing downwards. That's the direction of the airflow. So outside air comes from the top, it gets filtered, all the dirt gets trapped over there on the top of the filter, and then filtered air goes out on the bottom inside the car. As you can see, there's a lot of dirt over there. For now, I'm just going to put this filter back in. I'm going to replace this at a later date. In your case, you need to get a new filter, position it the way I'm positioning with the arrow pointed downwards, and just slide it right in. In it goes. Now let's put the cover back in. First, let's get it in the slots over there. And once it's sitting like that, push it, and there's three clips. 1, 2, and 3. We need to get them all in place, and it clips it. Now let's put this dampener arm back in its place. It just goes in, just like that. Goes in and locks it. And yeah, that's it. Now we need to put the glove box. All you have to do is just push it and it'll go back in its place. And that is pretty much it.